Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is acquaintanceship. 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 Acquaintanceship is a noun that signifies the state of being acquaintances with someone. It describes a level of familiarity and social connection that is more than a mere introduction but less than a close friendship. Here are some examples. Example number 1. In a professional setting, maintaining a cordial acquaintanceship with colleagues is important for a harmonious work environment. Why acquaintanceship is used in example number 1. Acquaintanceship illustrates the kind of relationship you might have with coworkers. Example number 2. Joining hobby clubs can lead to forming acquaintanceships with fellow enthusiasts who share your interests. Why acquaintanceship is used in example number 2. Acquaintanceship signifies relationships formed through shared hobbies. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.